Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at some IEM bot stuff. First off, we have a special weather statement for northwestern Weld County. Shows that a strong thunderstorm will impact it through 8:45 p.m. with nickel-size hail. Got some minor damage to outdoor objects. Got these locations. And if you're outdoors, seek shelter inside a building. Consider it, I mean. And then we got the interesting stuff, the damage survey PNS, and for the tornado in Highlands Ranch, that PDS warning, public information statement. They don't play those over NOAA weather radio for some reason, or maybe they do, I don't know. Let's see. Let's read this. Preliminary NWS damage survey for June 22nd, 2023, tornado in Highlands Ranch, Colorado. Thursday afternoon, June 22, a tornado touchdown just south of CEO 470 in Douglas County, west of Lucent Boulevard, impacting the city of Highlands Ranch. The tornado looks to have lifted just west of the intersection of Lincoln. Oh boy. Okay then. Anyways, continue reading. The tornado looks to have lifted just west of the intersection of Lincoln Avenue and Lone Tree Parkway. The NWS in Boulder has been in constant contact with Douglas County Emergency Management regarding damage, and we are also heavily using social media photos and video. The preliminary damage track start/stop times and EF ratings are the accumulation of numerous photos, videos, and other reports. There have been several damage reports, mainly trees down 0.5 miles or so south of 0.5 miles or so south of the general track, which is likely due to straight line winds from the rear flank downdraft. Okay. A typical occurrence with many tornadoes. Most all of the damage we have seen so far has been EF0. There may have been a few pockets of low-end EF1 damage to well-built single-family homes, which is the reason for the preliminary EF1 rating. We thank you for your help in assessing the damage, and please continue to tag us in your damage photo tweets at NWS Boulder. Here are the rankings. Luckily, there was no fatalities and injuries known. It is a weak tornado. I'm surprised because oh boy, what's this for?
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, central Jefferson County until 9:00 p.m.
Oh no.
At 8:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Aspen Park, 20 miles southwest of Denver, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard. Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicator. Impact. Damage to vehicles is expected.
She claims they have extremely
p.m. At 8:25 p.m. Mountain Roxborough Park around 8:40 p.m. Aspen Park, Fort Lakewood and Chetfield Reservoir around 8:45 p.m.
Oh boy.
Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Luviers, Littleton, Englewood, Sheridan, Southwestern Centennial, and Highlands Ranch. For your protection, will be near.
People I talk to,
Flash flood warning remains in effect until 8:40.
Okay.
well, we're gonna do it.
Después estamos llorando.
Natural.
One of those. Of the liquid. Great pick.
Oh boy. Well, here we go again. All right, let's take a look. So it looks like this storm is going to impact my area. My goodness. And it says it will be around my area. Whoa. It'd be around my area. Oh, come on. If I can type. Sorry for showing my blue dot. It's just I'm in slight panic mode. Roxborough Park, okay. So I'll be impacted between 8:40 and 8:45 p.m. or so. Boy. At least this one will have quarter-size hail, thank God. Alright, anyways, back to the reports. Where were we? Okay, we were right here. Here's all the information. Weak. And I'm surprised that a PDS tornado warning was issued for something so weak. Yep. Okay, there's the public information statement. And God dang it, I missed one.